2026, and we are perhaps ironically living in the plastic era. Most consumer tech is designed with a planned obsolescence baked into its very core, destined for the landfill almost before it leaves the factory. They are digital distractions, not professional tools. But occasionally, a piece of engineering emerges that defies this trend, built not just for a season, but for years of rigorous service. The NewLine Lyra Interactive Screen, the 75-inch model, is one such defiance. This is not some flimsy tablet blown up to immense proportions. Pick up an average consumer device today, it feels like a wafer. The Lyra, however, possesses a substantial physical density. We are talking about a unit that tips the scales at well over 150 pounds, a deliberate mass. That heft, that industrial-grade presence, comes from a meticulously CNC machined chassis, designed not just for durability, but for serious thermal dissipation. There is zero flex in this panel, no sag, no wobble. Every touch, every stroke, is met with an immediate, unwavering response. Think of the seconds lost daily, waiting for a laggy interface to catch up, troubleshooting a flimsy connection, or recalibrating a cheap projector. If your team, collectively, loses even 1 minute per session to such friction across a year of daily meetings, that is nearly 50 hours of billable time gone, just like that. The Lyra buys back those minutes, transforming them into pure, unadulterated productivity. It is not just a screen, it is an investment in uninterrupted thought, in fluidity of expression. This is about removing the tiny, insidious irritations that chip away at focus, that steal entire segments of your morning before you have even had your second coffee. Now, let us be direct. This is not a featherweight device you will be moving between conference rooms on a whim. Its considerable mass means a robust installation is essential, demanding a fixed location. But this is not a design flaw. That weight is the very heatsink, the very structural integrity that ensures continuous peak performance, preventing the thermal throttling that cripples lesser, lighter systems during extended, intensive use. It is a trade-off, certainly, but one that savvy professionals understand as the fundamental difference between a fleeting convenience and a reliable strategic asset. Consider the Android 11 operating system, purpose-built, seamlessly integrated, no more fumbling with dongles or adapters. Your ideas flow directly from mind to screen, unimpeded. This screen is not about displaying static information. It is about dynamic collaboration, a digital whiteboard that acts as a real-time conduit for complex ideas. It saves the 5 minutes you would spend trying to connect a laptop, the 10 minutes lost battling presentation software, the frustrating pause while someone tries to share. Over the course of a year, that is dozens of hours you could be dedicating to strategy, to client engagement, to revenue generation. This is about preventing efficiency leakage, about ensuring that every minute you and your team dedicate to a task is a minute of uncompromised output. It is about the quiet confidence that your tools will not betray you, that your technology will empower, not impede. At the time of recording, global supply chains in 2026 remain, shall we say, fluid. Regional stock levels for such specialized, high-demand equipment are perpetually shifting, a strategic consideration for any firm looking to upgrade its capabilities. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stock.